Welcome back to the channel, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. And this is just a quick video while we're here working and some more work. Pull up. So I was doing some research on a 2009 Toyota Camry crankshaft position sensor, and most of the videos I've been seeing, most of the results I've been getting is for the older models from the 2002 to 2009 era. So I just wanted to take a quick second and show you guys exactly where to find the crankshaft position sensor on this 09 Camry. All right, come on. So the Camry is open, and usually all the guys are saying that there is a section of the wiring harness here that goes off and goes down between the AC compressor, the alternator, sorry, and goes down here. And your sensor, let me get out here. Your sensor would predominantly be on the front side of the crank pulley. Now on this model, the sensor is right there, and I don't even have to take the wheel off. I've already reached in with my hand and unplugged it, and now I have a small 10mm up in there loosening that bolt. You rock it a little bit and boom, sensor is out. There it is right there. And that's where it came from. Same plug, same everything. And reverse the process. And that, my friend, is how you guys locate the crankshaft position sensor on an 09 Toyota Camry VVTi. I think this is a 2.0. I believe this is a 2.0. So it's a snug fit right there. Listen for that click, and there you go. There you have it. Crankshaft position sensor replaced. And that, my friend, is how you replace the crankshaft position sensor on a 2009 Camry. Quick, easy, simplistic, instructional, educational video. Alright, and as usual, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Respect.